Ever wake up with a dull headache or a sore jaw? You might be experiencing bruxism, a fancy term for grinding your teeth. Often happening at night, it's like holding an all-night rave in your mouth, but without the fun. This unconscious habit can be caused by stress, anxiety, or even an abnormal bite. Over time, it can lead to dental problems, damage to your teeth, and even impact your jaw joint. But fear not, it's not a life sentence. Simple solutions like stress management, mouth guards, and dental checkups can help keep your chompers in check. So, sleep tight and don't let the bruxism bite. Remember, a healthy smile is a happy smile,